Welcome back, homeowners. Jim from Fixer here, and I want to talk to you about one of the most important parts of your home's interior, your floors. I believe that the right flooring can elevate any home's style and comfort, while the wrong flooring will ruin otherwise flawless decor. Now, there's a huge variety of materials you can floor a room with, ranging from cement and tile to vinyl and marble. But I really just want to focus on two of the most popular flooring materials on the market: hardwood and carpet. Either option might be a good choice for your home, but they don't work equally well for all budgets, and their different designs make them better for different types of rooms. To decide if hardwood or carpet is a better choice for you in whatever room you're flooring, you need to carefully weigh a few different factors, namely cost, appearance, longevity, maintenance, and placement. Keep watching, and I'll unravel all these factors to help you determine whether your home needs more cozy carpet or some handsome hardwood. Let's carpet diem! So let's talk about cost, since that's first and foremost in every homeowner's mind when they remodel. The total material and labor costs for installing any type of flooring will always depend on its quality and how large the floor is, but on average, carpet is much more affordable than hardwood. Now, that isn't to say you can't get an affordable hardwood floor if you've got your heart set on it. Depending on supply in your region, flooring made from woods like pine, oak, and acacia are probably much cheaper than deluxe carpets made from organic materials like wool or cotton. Still, there's no denying that low-grade synthetic carpets are almost always cheaper to purchase and install than just about any type of hardwood flooring. The bottom line is, if you just need to cover your floorboards with something homey and you don't have a lot of room in your budget, then carpet is likely going to be your best bet. Carpet and wood are both versatile materials that come in an immense variety of styles, colors, and patterns, and the appearance of flooring made from either one can greatly depend on how it's crafted. For example, hardwood is generally considered the more stately and aesthetically pleasing material of the two, but a well-made cotton carpet with an alluring pattern can be every bit as elegant. By the same token, a poorly made wooden floor in a drab color that doesn't accentuate the wood grain can look just as bad as the worst carpets. All things considered, it's impossible to say definitively whether carpet or hardwood flooring looks better, since either one can be beautiful. It's really just a matter of personal preference. Is your decor calling for the warm, natural charm of wood, or the plush, cozy ambience that only carpet flooring can bring? I'm going to leave that up to you. Despite calling this last round a draw, I want to note that hardwood flooring looks good for far longer than carpet does. On that note, let's get into the next round. Because a new floor can cost thousands, if not tens of thousands of dollars to install, you want to invest in something that's going to last a long time. This is where hardwood flooring really pulls ahead, and I mean by a lot. The average carpet will only last a decade or so before it starts to look threadbare and dingy, and its life expectancy goes down significantly if it's installed in a high traffic area, like a hallway or a living room. And here's the worst part. Once a carpet begins to deteriorate, you can't really refurbish it. You just have to replace it all over again. Now, hardwood, on the other hand, can last up to 100 years, though a lifespan of about 50 years is more common in rooms with a lot of foot traffic. Of course, the luster and charm of most wood flooring will decline after a decade or two, but you can always make a hardwood floor look good as new by sanding it down and refinishing it. The long lifespan of hardwood, paired with how easy it is to restore, make it the clear winner here. Now, while it's true that hardwood is far more durable, the longevity of either flooring material greatly hinges on how well you care for it. That's right, it's time to talk about maintenance. To ensure your floors look good for as long as possible, it's essential to keep them clean. The buildup of dust and grime can permanently blemish any floor, and in the case of hardwood floors, even scratch them. Unfortunately for carpet, routine cleaning and maintenance is another area where hardwood pulls ahead. And really, all you need to do to keep a hardwood floor clean is sweep it frequently, and then mop it every once in a while. The smooth, bare surface of hardwood means it won't cling to dust, pet hair, or other allergens. And as long as you quickly mop up any spills, the floor won't stain either. On the rare occasion you notice a scratch or dent in the wood, you may have to patch it up with a floor repair kit from your local hardware store. But this is a small price to pay for flawless flooring. And like I mentioned before, once a few decades have passed and the wood has lost its luster, you'll need to get it sanded and refinished if you want it to look its best. This might seem like a long list of maintenance tasks, but it's nothing compared to caring for carpet. Carpet is a fibrous material, meaning it's made up of soft fibers. And while this makes carpet feel nice underfoot, it also makes the material a nightmare to clean, since each fiber will cling to dust, odors, liquids, and crumbs. To keep a carpet in top shape, you should vacuum it multiple times every week, especially if it's in a high-traffic area. Even if you stay on top of the vacuuming though, you'll still be fighting a losing battle against the slow accumulation of allergens if the carpet has a deep pile. For this reason, carpet isn't the best flooring material for people with allergies or respiratory conditions. Frequently shampooing your carpets can help reduce allergens, but if you've ever shampooed a carpet, you know it's not easy. To do it right, you need a special vacuum and chemicals, and it can take a few days for your carpets to dry afterwards. And while you can get your carpets professionally cleaned instead of doing it yourself, this service costs a bit of money. Additionally, carpet is much more susceptible to liquid stains than hardwood. If your Aunt Polly spills a glass of wine or your potty training puppy has an accident, your carpet might never be the same again, no matter how many times you hit the area with a cleaning solution. Then, after about a decade of routine vacuuming, shampooing, sneezing, and rearranging furniture to cover new stains, you'll just have to replace the carpet. So, while hardwood certainly has its fair share of necessary maintenance tasks, it's much easier to care for than carpet. Alright my friends, last up, we're going to talk about which rooms the two flooring types are better for. The debate between carpet versus hardwood doesn't have to be an all or nothing game. Both materials have their own unique strengths and drawbacks, so you shouldn't floor every room in your home with either one. For example, the plush insulating construction of carpet means it's better suited for cozy rooms like dens, bedrooms, and game rooms. Additionally, carpet can greatly dampen the sound of footfalls, so it's a great option for most rooms on second and third floors. Meanwhile, since hardwood is easier to clean and more resistant to stains, it's a better fit for dining rooms, kitchens, and mudrooms. And because wood lasts so much longer than carpet, it's also a good choice for hallways and entryways that see heavy foot traffic. What about bathrooms, you ask? Well, hardwood is a better choice than carpet for a bathroom, but it's not the best choice. When exposed to excessive humidity or standing water, hardwood can warp and rot. This is why most bathrooms are floored with tile or linoleum instead of hardwood or carpet. The bottom line here is that the right flooring depends on what room you're installing it in. So I'm going to call this round another draw. And with that, it's time to wrap this thing up. While carpet is far cheaper on average, its affordability is the only real advantage it consistently has over hardwood, which will almost always last longer with far less maintenance. Neither material should be the only flooring you use in your home though. Decor always benefits from a little variety, and the different strengths of both materials suit them to different rooms better. Now that you know how to pick the right material for whatever room you're flooring, it's time to get out there and request some quotes from flooring installers near you. You can start by clicking this link. Good luck. See you on the flip side.